done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. There's Cohen, Riley, and Adinon.
My name's Riley.
And my name's Trevor. And today we're going to play what?
Turkey tag.
Turkey tag,
Turkey tag.
aka Thanksgiving tag. What are the rules to turkey tag, Riley?
Cohen, like you have to be you have to be like a turkey, like you sometimes
Whoa! A jetpack. That's a big jetpack.
You have to go slow, and if you get a boost, you can run.
Boost? A turkey can get boost?
A boost is like a stick.
Okay, if a turkey gets a stick,
You boost up.
you get some boost. It looks like Audie's having some trouble
a boost. Hey. And,
Oh, there she goes. There, come on, girl.
You have to tag them with your elbows or your hands. So
Audie walks out this
started.
morning.
Let's get
And he
started,
goes,
guys.
Dad, it's not cold. It's nice.
Let's go start.
So he's out here in shorts. We're going to see how long he can tough it out.
Let's go start.
You need some help?
Yeah, can we go start now?
So make sure he's got that fuel on. Yep, that fuel's on. That key's on.
Ready
Yep,
to go,
that key's on. She's just a little cold. You gotta keep her warmed up.
This is the stick.
That's your boost?
Yeah.
So Riley's
I'm
the
not
first
it.
turkey.
Nope, I'm not it.
You touched the last stick.
Nope. There's a lot of sticks in here.
But that was you. You just touched it. You did.
Got it.
You did. Oh, nose goes.
Got it. I got it. Get it.
There you go.
Chase us now, Dad.
I think you got it. Yeah.
Dad, come on.
I thought it was turkey tag. Oh,
It
it's
is?
not hide and seek tag. Okay.
No, it's
Okay.
It's turkey tag.
Hang on.
Tag us turkey.
Hang on. I'm gonna go get the phone holder and set it right here, or right there, or right there, or right there, or right there, somewhere. All right. So we made up a new rule. We have to stay in the back. Nope. We have to stay in the
And guess
backyard.
what, guys? If you get tagged, get tagged by the turkey, you become a turkey.
Yep. So if you get tagged by the turkey, aka me, you
So
become a turkey.
And you
3,
help them. You
2,
help them.
1. I don't have a boost yet. I need to find me some boost. Let's go find us a stick first. You know, Riley threw one over here earlier. Here we go. All right, we got some boost. Now we can run. Do I have to hold on to this stick while I run? Oh, they're so fast. I think this time we're gonna go for the one that's hiding. Oh yeah! Oh, come on. Oh no. Ah, tree! Ah, more trees! Oh no, I dropped my stick. I gotta find another boost. Ooh, let's get a small one. Like, oh look, there's a turkey. Let's make it. Oh, ow! There, now we got a small stick. Now we got an easy boost.
Dad.
Hey, you're gonna become a turkey. Oh, oh! Oh, you guys are turkeys in a tree now. Super speed. I can't reach him. Oh, I got Riley. Yeah, and Riley tagged Audie. Cohen's the last turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Ah! No, get back here. Get back here. Gobble, 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 gobble. Oh, got him. Yeah! Here, I help you up. Ugh. Good job, little turkey. You're the last turkey. That means you won. Down. Yeah. Of 3, 2, 1. Come and get us! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Wait! Ah! This is really hard to run him backwards. Uh-oh. He's got a stick. He's got a stick. He's gonna run even faster. Ah! Oh no! Oh! He got me! He just tagged me. Now I gotta find a stick. Here we go. Wait, I got one. Oh, you got me a big one. That's a lot of boost. All right, ready? I'm pretty sure you guys are where you're not supposed to be. Look at that. Tagged him without the boost. Because we dropped it. That boost stick is no good. Gotta find another one. Get him, Cohen, get him. Get him. Get him, get him. Audie's got a boost. Hurry. Get him. Oh, hey, looky here. I found a spring. It's always weird what you find in the backyard. I got super duper boost. Got you. Okay. Was that cheating? I used a metal stick.
I tried to juke you.
You tried to juke me?
But then I slipped.
And then he slipped. What's your story, Riley? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let's get Cohen's reaction of being the turkey. How was being the turkey?
Good? Good.
Good? Man.
I'm turkey!
I'm over out.
I'm a turkey!
Oh yeah, he's the last one. Another metal rod?
Oh, I have that.
We're gonna put it up here.
Another stick. Oh wait, I got a silver stick.
Another spring. We didn't take a trampoline apart or nothing, did we? Wait, you're it!
Gobble, gobble, gobble! Gobble! Gobble!
Okay, we're gonna stand over here and act like a post.
Dad,
Yes. What?
I died talking.
Oh.
Got
I'm
you.
a post. I'm a post.
Got you.
I'm a post. I'm a post. Gobble, gobble,
Gobble,
gobble, gobble.
Let's go, Dad.
I don't have boost.
Oh.
I need some boost.
Boost.
That's not a stick.
Oh, stick.
Oh yeah. Yum 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 yum. Gobble gobble.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Gobble gobble. Gobble. Oh gobble gobble. I got him.
Dad, there's a lot of boosters.
Turkeys, go over there and get him. Look at our pile of boost.
Dad, get your the best stick.
Okay, I got this one.
I got this one. Oh, wait, let me get a fast one.
We call it the
Not this one. Oh, guys, look
curve
at my stick.
boost.
What about my stick?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
My stick.
That's like, yeah. I don't even know. Where did he go?
I know where he is. What?
It's cool there. Go ahead. I'm so out of shape, it's not even funny. I bet he ran into the trees. And if he did, he's automatically disqualified. Oh, he ran that way. You hear that gobble? Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. Faster, faster. Oh, and he slips again.
Hey,
Hey, quit.
Yeah,
All right.
he's
Well, what do you guys say? That's our turkey edition.
I need one more. Him. I need
Ow!
He needs to be the turkey.
I walked into a post.
He needs to be the turkey. Yes. He's the turkey.
All right, what do you guys say?
No, he's the turkey.
That's good.
No, he's the turkey.
Happy Thanksgiving.
No, he's the turkey.
Okay, but say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
One turkey down. 2 turkeys to go. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to turkey the subscribe button. And whew, I'm gonna catch my breath and maybe I'll have it back by the next video. Have a great day, guys.